Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, awesome day. We're at day 9, the power of gratitude. So when I say, hey family, welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strength and Unity. And we've been laying the foundation for healing and growth. And today we're focusing on something that can transform the atmosphere in your home. It's gratitude, gratitude, right? It's easy to focus on what's wrong. But when we shift our focus to what's right, we invite more joy, more peace, and connection into our own families. 1 Thessalonians 5:18 says, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is goodwill, for in Christ Jesus, gratitude isn't just feeling, it's a choice that strengthens relationship and reminds us of the blessings we often overlook. So today, here's the challenge. I want to tell one family member something you appreciate about them. It could be as simple as, I'm grateful for how you support me, or I love how you make me laugh. Watch how this small act of gratitude shifts the energy in your home. A grateful heart creates a strong family. Let's reset by choosing thankfulness every day. See you tomorrow and another step towards strength and unity. You guys have an amazing day.